Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create and customize charts right inside Smartsheet. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn your data into beautiful, easy-to-understand visuals that can make your next project update or report really stand out. Whether you're managing a project, tracking progress, or just want to see your numbers come to life, this tutorial is for you. Let's jump right in. First, let's get started inside your Smartsheet workspace. So once you're in your sheet with the data you want to chart, look up towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Add to Workspace. Go ahead and click that. What we're doing here is creating a space for your dashboard, which is where the charts will live. After clicking Add to Workspace, look for the option that says Dashboard. Click on it and then hit Get Started. This sets up a brand new dashboard, which is essentially a blank canvas where you can pull together widgets, charts, reports, and more. Think of it like gathering all your best work onto one tidy board, ready for sharing or presenting. Now, within your new dashboard, notice the toolbar or panel that pops up. One of those tabs is called Widget. Go ahead and select the Widget tab. This is kind of like picking out the gadgets or tools you want to use on your dashboard. Look for Chart and select it. This is where the magic starts to happen. Charts are visual engines that help people see patterns and trends quickly. Now it's time to feed your chart some data. Click Add Data. At this point, Smartsheet will prompt you to choose where you want your chart to pull information from. Find and select the sheet where your data lives. Maybe it's called Demo Sheet Data or whatever name you're using. Then click OK. If you've got a lot of sheets, don't worry, just use the search bar or scroll until you spot the right one. Once your sheet pops up, you'll need to select which specific data you want to visualize. So click and drag to highlight all the relevant columns and rows. For example, if you're charting monthly sales, click and drag over the months and sales numbers. Don't worry if you select a little too much, you can always adjust later. Once you've got your selection, hit OK again. This may take a few seconds if you have a lot of data, so don't stress if it's not instant. Next, Smartsheet will prompt you to choose the type of chart you want. There are quite a few options: bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, and more. Think about the story you want your data to tell. For me, I want to show how a total breaks down into parts, so I'm going with a pie chart. Just click the type you want, and Smartsheet will update the preview instantly. You can experiment here. If the first choice doesn't look right, just swap to another type and see what fits best. Once you're happy with how everything looks, simply go ahead and click Save. Congrats, you've just created your first Smartsheet chart. Now your dashboard will update in real time as you change your data, so you can keep your team or stakeholders in the loop with just a glance. And there you have it, a visual dashboard powered by your own data using Smartsheet charts. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And if you run into any issues or have specific questions about chart types, drop a comment below. I love helping out. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.